You're most welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the cage from which I've been rearing my parent stock from. If you've been following me, I started with 2 chicks, a hen and a cock. So there are 5 right now. That's why I decided to join up my hands to build at least a big one, a bigger than the other one, so that I see the advantages somehow, because they have been breaking the eggs. I've been seeing damages just because the space is small for them to lay eggs. This stock, the 4 of them are laying eggs, and you're going to be seeing the eggs. So I decided to make such a coop as you're seeing to fix my problems. Kino nno kyetaagisa buvumu n'okwagala eri ekyo ky'oba okola. So as you're seeing, that kind of a wear I'm putting on, I'm going to be putting the dust, wood dust, or wood, it is wood dust, in my coop so that the floor looks more beautiful or favorable for my chicks. These are local chicks. I know they have too much play and they need to fly over the mall. So I'm separating the big ones from the small wood dust. Buno nno mu Luganda babuyita bukuta, buva ku mbaawo, naye si bwe businga ennyo. Obwandisinze buba bukuta bwa mmwanyi, naye si bwangu bwa kulaba. N'olwekyo nasazeewo ntandike ne buno bwe nninawo nga bwe nnoonya buli. Since it is a holiday, I have helpers here. They are helping me out to fill the whole coop, so that we can see our chicks enjoying their moments, as you're going to be seeing. Here we are almost done. We are almost done with putting in the dust, and I've already put in these chicks. They are of 1 month and 2 weeks, as you're seeing. They are looking great, but they're also enjoying. I think you're seeing the parent stock. It has already started feeling a good and big space environment I've given to them. It is a good feeling to me seeing them look as you're seeing. They are looking so healthy. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment and to share this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you many content about these chicks, because it's almost 4 months raising them, but at least I have more to tell you, my viewers. I've learned more about the chicks. These are the eggs they have laid, and soon I'm going to synchronize the eggs. They're going to be producing more chicks, and I'm going to use the hens to produce out the chicks, as I'm looking for an incubator. Right here I'm in a garden. I'm preparing myself for the rainy season. As you're seeing, I've already cleaned up the whole garden. As you see, it looks ready for the rainfall. It has been a hard task to make crops look good in this dry season. It has been so dry, but I'm determined to that extent that I'm planting right now the ground nuts. I know soon the rain is gonna come and I'll see them thrive up, and the situation will be good. But to this extent, oh, the situation is not good, but we still keep on moving. You know what is always interesting on my garden? You can't move around my garden and you have no harvests. Era kati mbadde ntambula wano nga ndi mu bbalaga engeri gye ntegeseemu buli wamu okwetegekera enkuba. Then I saw the rip tomatoes. Zengedde bulungi era zirabika bulungi nga bw'oziraba. Nensalawo nneme kukola ki? Kuzireka ngende nazo. Ekyo kye kirungi ky'okulima, naye nno olutalo lunene okuzirabirira mu season ng'eno. The most challenging thing to grow is tomatoes to me. They are so technical to grow organically, but I just try my level best. So here the cocoa plant, as you're seeing, ekyo kitaffe eri kinene nno kitya. Kivudde okwo toyinza tambula nnimiro yange n'obulwayo ky'olya. Olowooza olaba I'm cleaning it up, kiveeko obuwuka kubanga buba bungi ku kyo. Buwuka bukyagala nnyo simanyi lwaki. It looks good as you're seeing the seeds are ready to be planted. I'm going to make juice from it. It has good juice. Here, as we're moving, you're seeing the tomatoes are drying up in this season. It has been so challenging, but at least I've tried to make measures, to mulch, to put composite on it, but still we need rain. So it's my only prayer that I receive rain so that my plants look more better. And enjoying. I think you're seeing how I'm trying. That though the yellow peppers, they are not yet ready, but I will show you when they are ready. They are not green peppers. I think you can differentiate them. I'm going to be showing you how green peppers look like. That is red amaranth. The leek. Here we go. The tomatoes, I'm also trying up with them, but they are not easy. The eggplant, that is my strawberry, but for sure I need rain, and I'm also prepared because I've taken off all the weeds. Those fruits need some rain. So the leek, a type of what? Onions, the green peppers. I think you're seeing them. They're still young, but they need water. Those are what? Collards. Tutera biyita sukuma wiki. Oyo sukuma wiki oyo agenda kuleeta nsigo. Ndowooza omulaba atandise kuleeta ensigo, naye mutegese bulungi, enkuba emuyingire, mutaddewo wansi manure, mbisseewo bulungi, kwegamba I'm ready for the rainfall to come, but I don't know when. Naye nga nkimanyi ejja kutonnya. Kale tweyongereyo. Obwo bunyaanya babuyita cherry tomatoes bwe tuyiseeko. Oyo collard sukuma wiki muto. Ago mayuni ga bwayise. Those are yams. The American comfrey. So let's proceed. Or let me hope you're enjoying the video. Those are cabbage. It is a cabbage. I can't wait to see the first passion fruit. I don't know how I will enjoy, how I will rejoice. I don't know how my reaction will be, but I'm just patiently waiting for it. But please don't forget to like, please, my video, to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can get wherever I post. I love you exceedingly, my viewers who always report to my videos. Bye bye.